Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to turn off notifications on Lemon8 app. So how to do it? All you need to do is just go to your settings, not to Lemon8 app, open up settings and find here the apps and notifications tab. Click on it and in this list you need to find the Lemon8 application. So here it is, click on it. And on this page, just below the uninstall button, you can find notifications. And as you can see, now notifications are enabled for this application, but I can easily turn off it just by clicking on this button. At your request, Android is blocking these apps' notifications from appearing on this device. So this is how you can easily disable notifications for this application. I really hope my video was helpful for you. Please subscribe and like. Thank you. Goodbye.